this lecture, you are going to study pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. Let us understand the pin diagram of 8051. This Intel 8051 is 40-pin IC and it is available in dual in-line package. It requires plus 5 volt supply. So pin number 40 is used as a VCC where user has to connect plus 5 volt supply, and pin number 20 is a ground terminal for this supply. Then it has 4 ports. Each port is of 8 bit. So pin number 39 to pin number 32, or we can say pin number 32 to pin number 39, these pins are associated with port 0, P0.0 to P0.7. Port P0 can be used as a multiplex address and data bus. So lower address bus, that is A0 to A7 lines, are used for port P0, and data bus D0 to D7 is also used of port P0. So this address and data bus are multiplex. To demultiplex this bus, you have to use a other signal, that is ALE signal, that we'll see. The next port is port 1. So pin number 1 to pin number 8, these are associated with port 1, P1.0 to P1.7 pins. The next port is port 2. So pin number 21 to pin number 28, these are related to port 2. Along with input-output port, this port 2 is having function of higher 8-bit data bus. So lower 8-bit data bus is of port 0 and lower 8-bit address bus is of port 0 and higher 8-bit address bus is of port 2. The fourth port is port 3. So pin number 10 to pin number 17 are associated with port 3, P3.0 to P3.7. Each pin of this port 3 is having some special function also, like RxD, TxD, INT0 bar, INT1 bar, T0, T1, WR bar, and RD bar. The functions we'll discuss in next lecture. Then to connect the crystal, these two pins are used, XTAL2, that is pin number 18, and XTAL1, pin number 19. So external crystal should be connected between these two terminals. Then pin number 9 is reset terminal. So reset circuit, external reset circuit should be connected at pin number 9 terminal. The next pin is EA bar / VPP. This EA bar is called as an external address enable. When it is 0, the external ROM memory or program memory is used. And when it is 1, then internal memory is used, and this pin also serves as a VPP, that is, it supplies the 12 volt for program memory. So that is called supply programming voltage, that is plus 12 volt. The next is ALE pin. So it is address latch enable pin, and it is used to demultiplex address and data bus of port P0. So it separates A0 to A7 address from AD0 to AD7 multiplex bus. The last pin is PSEN. It is used to enable external program memory, and generally it is connected to output enable terminal or external ROM. So this is all about function of each pin of this 8051. The detailed function you will study when we will study the particular block or particular port of 8051. Thank you for watching this video.